Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're taking a look at a 2004 F-250 Lariat. This is the 6.0 diesel. This truck has 176,000 miles on it. It does have the ARP Head Studs in it. It's not tuned, nothing else really special done to it. Got a GPS security locator installed, Aftermarket Alarm system. Like I said, the head studs were done to it. That's really it. It's a pretty basic truck. It'd be a good beginner diesel for anybody trying to get into diesel trucks. It is very clean though. Been kept pretty much stock. Been well taken care of from the previous owner. It's a Lariat, so we got the leather interior. Keys in there. It's a very clean truck though. The extended cab doesn't have the full amount of room as a full cab, but you can still fit some people back there, fit some extra stuff. Does have the regular size bed on it. Truck is overall a very clean truck. Get a little startup video for you guys. Oh yeah. Take a look under the hood for you guys. Really do like the color of this truck. Got that gunmetal gray look to it. The hood for you guys. For the amount of miles, it is very clean under here. Everything runs sound in this truck. It's a very good vehicle. Would be a very good first diesel for somebody. Come check it out, deluxemotorsports.com. Check us out on Facebook. Come on in, take a look at her.